Have you ever had to move your toys or some of your things from one room to another? Maybe because it wasn't good for it to be in one room, so you moved it to another room, or there was no space in the other room, so you moved it to another room. It happens some of the time in a place value house. Do you know why? Because there can be only one digit in each room. Anytime we have more than one digit because of addition, we'll have to move one digit to another. Let's see with an example. 76 plus 19. 76 is 7, 10, and 6 units. 19, 1, 10, 9 units. Let's do some counting. Get your counting notebook and I'll get mine. It is time to add. When we add, we'll start from the right hand side, which is the unit place. Units. In order for you to be able to count correctly, I would advise you to always draw a line like this and label it tens and units. Do your countings under each place. It helps you to be more correct, accurate when counting. We count the first number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus means count together, so we count our circles together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 circles in the units place. But there can only be one digit in the units place, and that is 5, the number at the right hand side, because 15 is 1, 10, and 5 units. What do we then do? We move the 110, carry the 110 to the right place, which is the tens place. So we carry draw 110. Add the next number, which is 7. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next number is 1. We draw 1 circle. Time to count together. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. There are 9 tens in the tens place. So 76 plus 19 is 9 tens and 5 units. 46 plus 25. 46 is 4 tens and 6 units. 25, 2 tens and 5 units. We'll add together by counting. Draw a line and label tens and units. Count under the units place. We count the first number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you still remember I said when you are drawing your counting objects, maybe circles or strokes, always leave spaces in between so that we don't draw on each other, then we make mistakes. Then the next number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time to count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 circles in the units place. Can we write 11? No, because only one digit can stay in the units house. How do we know what to carry and what to leave? 11 is 1, 10, and 1 unit. We are leaving 1 unit, which is in the right place, and we carry 110 to the tens house. 110. We count our next number. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number is 2. 1, 2. Count together: 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, and 7 10s. 46 plus 25 is 7 tenths and 1 unit. 46 plus 25 equals to 71.